101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Mutmainatu Safia, as host for podcast today. And yeah, as all of you see that I'm not alone here, so I'm already with some of my friends, from BPEC Makassar. So, hi, smart listeners. And yeah, as all of you know that every Tuesday we always have podcasts. We always have English conversation with BPEC Makassar. And of course, you as the smart listeners, you can interact with us via WhatsApp 0811-461-011, or you may also comment in our YouTube channel in Smartfm Makassar. So, our topic today is Happy is You. Yeah, and of course, before we are going to talk about our topic, maybe we have to know about what is BPEC first, and then the speakers here can introduce themselves. So, for maybe first, time's yours. Introduce yourself, please.
Okay, good evening. Good evening, guys. So my name is Muhammad Nabil Dafa. My friends call me Dafa.
Hi, Dafa.
Hello.
Okay, next.
Hello, smart listener. My name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin, and you guys can call me Yusril.
Hi, Kak Yusril. Okay, next.
Okay, hello. My name is Alifia Nabila Putri. People usually call me Pia.
Hi, Via. Nice to meet you.
Hi,
Okay.
smart listeners. You can just call me Ichal. My name is Ichal.
Okay, hi, Kak Ical. Such a simple, short introduction, yeah. Okay, next.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My full name is Abdullah bin Pamungkas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Sugminasa and I study in Unismu Makassar English Education Department.
Hi, Kak Wahid. Nice to meet you. And then, maybe one of you can introduce what is BPEC Makassar and what kind of activity you usually have.
Oh, okay. So, BPEC Makassar is Benteng Panjua English Club, one of the oldest English community in Makassar that always provide English meeting in every Sunday. So in Sunday, we called the meeting as Lovely Sunday Meeting, and we provide several items there. And we conduct the meeting in Benteng Panjua, Fort Rotterdam. The items are, the first is Who Am I? In Who Am I, every single new visitors or newcomer have to explain or introduce themselves for other participants, so you can know each other. And the second is like ice breaking, that is break the ice, break the awkward situation. So in that item, the committee will provide a game for you guys, so you can break the awkward situation, because after the ice breaking there is D&D, discussion and debating. And in D&D, the first is the committee will give or divide into several groups. So the committee will lead the discussion in every single groups about interesting topic. And after the discussion, it's after Zuhur, we will do debating. So there will be two groups. The first is opposition side, and the second is government side. You will do debate each other. And then after debating, there will be a building skill. So we will not just like discussion, but we also learn about English, like grammar, vocabularies, idioms, and something like that. And it will be provided by the committee as well. And then there will be entertainment. So in entertainment, if you guys have something to show or you have a talent, you can stand in front of the participant and show something and entertain the other participants. And then after entertainment, there is announcement. In announcement, if you have something to inform to all of the participants, you can stand up and inform like wedding party or seminar or something like that. And after that, it will be closed by the master of ceremony.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
that's all.
such a nice explanation. Thank
yeah,
you, Kak
and
Yusril.
the good news
Yes.
is it's free of charge.
Wow, it's free, so no one have to spend
Yeah.
money for join
Of
an English meeting,
course.
yeah.
Yes.
Wow, such a good. Okay, so smart listeners, make sure that you come to Benteng Rotterdam Makassar every Sunday
Yeah.
at 10 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah, 10 a.m.
At 10 a.m. and yeah, it's free, so you don't even need to spend money for joining an English meeting. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, Kak Yusril.
That's right.
So, we are going to talk about happy is you. Yeah. So, do you guys know about what is happy is you? Maybe start from Dava. Okay, Dava, time's yours.
Wait a minute. What do you mean about happy is you?
Yeah. Do you? What is the definition about happy is you, in your own opinion?
So in my own opinion about happy, that makes you feel better. For example, if you do like, do your hobby, that will make happy you. For example, for me, if I doing such as anything that can make our mood, how to say, can booster my mood. So yeah, it depends on the person that have daily activity. I think that's all.
So your own happiness is from editing,
Yeah,
yeah, doing
my
and
hobby.
editing.
It's from my
Oh,
hobby.
it's your hobby.
Yeah.
So happiness is mean like, yeah, every single day if you do your hobby and then it will makes you happy.
Of course.
Oh,
I like it.
okay. Thank you. Okay, next, Olivia. Yeah, what is the definition of happy is you in your own opinion?
Okay, I think happy is you when you feel peaceful, you feel comfortable, and you feel like you really enjoy. Yeah, and when you don't feel you pressured, so I think that's definition of happiness because you really like you just feel free. I think that's
So
all
happy
means
is you like sometimes you feel comfortable, you feel confident,
Yes.
and then like you don't even need to think about any pressure.
Yes.
You have okay, thank
right.
you. Okay, next, Kak Wahid, your own definition. What is happy is you?
Okay, happy in you. Yeah, we know about we spare by the time for like go to holiday, for spare our time together, such as like our family, our friends, go to the some place that interested for us. And we know, we have like the busy activity. Maybe we can skip and take like the off day. We can go to the some place that interested, that we can refresh our mind. We can fresh our mind from what is the from the busy activity. I think that's
Okay, thank you, Kak Wahid. So your own definition about happy is you like sometimes healing yourself. Yeah, healing yourself make you happy. So healing yourself, then it's kind of similar to Olivia's opinion. Like you don't need to feel or even think about any pressure. So you have to go to heal yourself, like take days off if you are on duty or else. Okay, thank you, Kak Wahid. Next, Kak Ichal. What is happy is you?
Okay. The question is happy is you.
Yeah,
Like,
happy is you.
So for me, like happy is you is when I'm just maybe that's the same as like what Olivia says. When me myself, it's feeling comfortable. It's like I have like happiness.
Yes.
It's like feeling like lightness. I mean, also smart listeners also know what happiness mean. So it's when I'm the most comfortable, the most like not worried about anything, just in the peace place or my good place.
So you live in a peaceful place.
Not
Yeah.
really like live in a way, but it's like a mental state.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, yeah, in Indonesia, happy is you it means like kebahagiaan itu bahagia adalah dirimu. So, it means that you yourself you have your own your own ways to be happy. So, yeah, maybe from Kak Yusril, what is your opinion about happy is you?
Yeah, I do agree about your statement that say happy as you is when the happiness is come from yourself, not
Yes.
from other people.
Yeah,
right?
other person.
Yeah, I do agree about that because as we know that when your happiness is based on other people, there will be a time that you will be disappointed, and of course it will be drive you to be depression.
Yes.
And for me, actually, the happiness that my feeling in happiness comes when I can do a positive thing.
Okay.
I'm not pretend to be like a wise person, but that's what I feel like when I can spend my time to good thing. I feel that even I'm tired, I feel that it's my happiness,
Okay.
and I feel that it's good for me to always spend my time in a good place, in a positive thing. For example, join in BPEC.
Wow, joining in BPEC. Wow. So joining in BPEC makes you happy.
Yeah.
Wow.
of
Okay,
course.
thank you, Kak Yusril. Okay, we move to next question. Yeah, next question is happy is you. Always related to happy is you. So from your own definition, yeah, especially Kak Yusril's definition, you said that happy is you. It means like not depending happiness from other person because the happiness you can make your own happiness by yourselves. Okay, so maybe Dava, do you think like sometimes you need to depend your own happiness from other persons? You depend your happiness to other persons, like maybe your parents or even couple, yeah, girlfriend, because you are a boy, yeah. Because sometimes people like feel sad for being jomblo, for being single. Sometimes they feel like, oh, I live in such a worst life because I don't have any person to be happy with. Okay.
Me personally,
Okay, is it hard?
that's such a deep.
Oh, such a deep, yeah, because our topic today is very deep, yeah, everyone. We are talking about happy is you, so yeah, you have to find your own happiness.
Of course, it start from my family.
Oh yeah, start from your family, okay?
Because family give everything to their family and the children. So no, sorry. You said couple, yeah.
Yes, like you depend your own happiness. Do you think like you can make your own happiness, or do you think that you can be happy without everyone, without anyone stay beside you?
It depends on the situation. For example, if we, every person have a different situation. For example, like if you get stress, there is a person that want to be alone, menyendiri, how to say?
Oh, lonely.
Yeah, lonely like that. But in other side, they need friends to talk. They like how to say in English, tempat curhat itulah.
Oh, yeah, like you need your yeah.
Sharing.
Having someone for share.
Yeah. Like partner have sharing to each other.
Okay. Because we still have commercial break, so thank you for Dava. We still have commercial break, so don't go anywhere, smart listeners. We will come back after the commercial break.